What's going on, guys? Danny back here with Pro Trans over in Athens. So we're working on a 2000 Dodge Ram 3500. Customers' complaint on this one was that it was going in and out of overdrive. Has already had it at another shop, maybe two. They've replaced the torque converter on it. They've done some transmission lines on it. They gave up on it, said they couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. But it's actually a pretty common issue on these. There's a lot of forums online about them. But we're going to show y'all what's actually the root of the cause of the issue. Give me a second, I'm going to pop the hood for y'all. But if y'all look, or if y'all see online, there is noise interference between a ground cable and the alternator wire. So what it is, and we actually rerouted this one, this cable, this ground cable right here, usually runs right through here and runs right back through here. And it's a ground cable, so it gets a lot of noise interference from the alternator itself. So when it sees that, it starts throwing noise interference into the PCM, which makes it go in and out of overdrive. There's also a noise isolator that we ordered from Thoroughbred Diesel Performance. We're going to install on this as well, and I'll link that in there in the comments so y'all can see it. And if y'all have this issue, y'all can put it on there. But it goes onto the ECU, which we're going to put on there. We'll do a video when we install that as well. But that's what happens. That's what the fix is. We rerouted it. We did test drive it after we routed it. No longer has interference. It's going in overdrive, staying in a lockup as it is. This is typically routed down here. But that's what it'll take to fix, guys. Again, don't guess. Look it up. If you don't, look it up. Ask questions. There's forums everywhere. And we're here to help if y'all need help. See y'all on the next one.